Welcome to another episode of Hooked Up Fishing. And that's right, we own Hooked Up Fishing because we own Hooked Up Fishing, all right? You know what I'm saying? In Texas City, Texas. We're gonna get over here. It's a little bit of wind, but we're gonna get in my little spot over here and see can we bust up a few of these tag redfish. One for me and one for Big Bro. Yeah. But hey man, y'all get ready, man. Live action. Live finger mullet, live shrimp. I'm gonna throw some artificial this morning, and we just gonna have us some fun, man. And we're gonna chase these tag redfish like we always do. Stay tuned, cause hey y'all, I'm gonna try not to get too excited, okay? Because we here, and I got something for them. I specifically brought for them. Okay, y'all. So, as soon as I put my hands on it, it's going in. Anywhere out behind you, anywhere out around you, anywhere you want to go, you ought to get what you're looking for, like that song say. You say you want to be loved, but you won't let me love you. I'm going to take out the top water that I've been killing them on instead of tying on a whole brand new one, because it's already ready, like Freddy, the rock real steady. Look at it, you know, it's windy in some areas, but when you fish over here, the beautiful thing about this area is that you could always find protection from the wind, whether you want to get on the backside or that rock growing over there across on the channel side, or you want to just get in here and fish in tight. Oh, they're gonna do that. They're gonna hug each other.
Y'all gotta break it up.
Yeah, they want to hug each other. I want to go first. I want to go first. He picked me. Hey man, calm down. We all on the same team. I'm in the water. See if we get some top water action this morning, y'all. That boat turning.
Oh, broke my rod. Yes. Oh, God. Take it back.
Yeah, Academy take care of it.
Oh,
Come on, tag redfish. Do some fan casting out, hit here, 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 and see if we can get on them. All right, we'll pull up anchor.
okay.
See if they in tighter.
anchor.
No, you can sit right there and fish.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that. That's all you got to do. Ain't nothing else for you to do but fish. All this is covered.
Oh, I tell you.
Covered. Sam, yeah.
Taught you well.
Yeah, Sam, yeah, Sam.
Sounds just like Sam.
Yeah, that's what he said. He said, hey, look, he told me, don't let him do nothing. Okay, Sam. He said, you don't mind, huh? I said, no, I don't mind. What you talking about? He said, you let him get in the boat. Don't let him do nothing. Get in, put him in, make him get in the boat. I said, okay, Sam. He gonna get in the boat, Sam. That's Sam, man. Sam too tough.
It was so funny. He had told me, sit down, do this. And then all of a sudden, I was tiptoeing over so, and he popped me side the head right down. I say, I'm gonna tell your mama.
I know, man. Okay. So we're gonna ease down to the left, and not much at all. No. All we doing is just moving. Sometimes that's all it takes, just a few feet. I love it how just it's calm and peaceful over here.
Exclusion zone. Attention. An exclusion zone for the plasticizer unit is in effect. Any remaining non-essential personnel must leave the area now. An announcement will be made when the exclusion zone has been deactivated.
He ain't talking to us, is he?
No, he talking to his employees. We ain't nowhere near them. I know how to roll over here. Switch over to some live shrimp. Well, that Lee's bait camp, boy, they got perky bait. If the fish ain't fired up, they gonna be fired up when they see this bait jumping. Hitting that shrimp quick. Plenty of bait.
Huh?
There's plenty of bait in here.
Yeah.
They just ain't nervous or running, so ain't nobody here to run them. Let's get out of here.
What's that over there?
It's still all rocks. We just gonna back up some. Stop and throw right here. It's just a little bit of a move might make a difference. Make all the difference in the world. All right, swig of coffee, back at 'em. I had watermelon and cherries and got excited this morning, left everything. I don't care about that. I sure wasn't finna stop and worry about it. I got coffee. That's all I need. I ate a big old salad last night and chopped pork or whatever you want to call it. Now I'm finna bust them up. Mullet? Well, that's a good sign. HEB got them now.
Okay, yeah, that's where I got mine.
Yeah, they had some with seeds. That's what I want. I don't get them with no seeds because they say that's generically made. Everything God make got seeds. That's how it grows. I started chewing the seeds up, eating them. Oh, there you go. Oh, he got off. I knew it. He blew up on it. He had it?
I threw it out there, and he was running from somebody, and
he don't want to be out there to fight. Get back out there and fight. That wind sure feel good.
Yeah.
It's like AC on. Ain't no limit on them. We don't need but 100.
That's the meal snapper.
For a meal snapper.
I be watching the sports.
Uh-huh.
Boy, they get a thrill on when they catch one of them.
Yeah, man, you saw me. I turned around and saw you had that. I say, shoot.
Yeah.
Hardly get no better. You gonna see once you put that knife on it. You gonna start looking for them. There he went. There you go. He blew up on it. He got what he was looking for. I hope he a solid one.
Get it?
Yeah, he on here for now. Need to be a tag redfish. Speckle trout. Whoop, upside your head. Yeah, that's where he got it too. He blew up on it, got it all upside his head. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? Get your back up off the wall. I've been waiting on you to come on over here. Showed up and showed out, didn't you, fella? He ain't no gator, but he a trout. He ain't got a measure. He ate it. Or it ate him. Or both. Lee said, y'all gonna go get him. Yes, sir. That man talking about it's 3/4 tank of gas in this boat. Wrong with it.
You know we don't never lose. I mean,
He had just bumped his head. That's all it happened. He don't know how we roll.
yeah. Gas gauge can be broken.
Oh man, how it's just gonna be broke and it ain't broke.
If everything on my boat work,
Right.
everything. I look like a fool coming out here.
With a broke gas gauge.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna put myself in harm's way. Oh man.
That pipe still out here?
It's gone. We'll fish our way all the way around. We'll stop on the redfish point. how? How I'm gonna land or how I'm gonna brace myself?
And just jump out.
Do I? Yeah.
Just jump out. That's the way I do things. I don't
I'm
think
trying to
that-
figure out a way out. That's what.
right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Just hold on, just flounder. I ain't gonna bring us nowhere. You know, we're not gonna. I mean, I don't know what you thought we were just gonna come over here and play.
You a bad motherfucker. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. Because they be wanting to be when I was gay. You are a bad.
Yeah, I just wanted to come over here and get us some flounder. Okay, we gotta stock them box. If we just getting started, okay, 'cause we're gonna do this all day, all right? Okay, March get set, ready to go. No, they're not.
Oh, yeah, that means.
What did I just say? I say, hey, let's go get us some flounder.
Yeah.
And then the bloop, before I can sit down good. Because I was trying to get up tighter where we can get all on top of them, but I ain't got to. We'll just get them right here. It's all the same. It's just a title. Don't get yourself mixed up. Look at the head on that.
I mean, right there.
Yeah,
Right there.
before the boat spin around good.
That's just it. That's just it.
All right, I ain't playing.
You ain't playing now. And I'm not too good about using profanity.
The game wasn't gonna come over there and have a field day with them. Got that baby sitting on the front of the boat with no life jacket, both of them. Baby's walking around on the front of the boat with no life jacket.
Where did we come out? I mean,
We came through the floodgates over there to the
we
right
came to the front gate.
and came in here to the. The trout, they just ain't no big trout. Speck. Do. Found the specks.
Several things, you know, with coal and stuff.
Found the specks.
Okay, baby.
Hey man, hey, look.
I love you with all my heart. And a big old hug.
14 chili bean.
Was you had a fish?
Speck on popping cork right over here. He just barely 14 and a half or so. He ain't 15. Stay over there. We're gonna work it out. Me and them. I knew it. I said, I knew I'd find them.
Oh, yeah.
They over there, right on that drop off.
Whoa! He jumped out. He jumped in the boat. He sure did. I've been getting out of here.
Hey man, look here. We was ready. There you go. There you go. Hey, hey, Mr. Flounder. Thank you for the ride. Slide. Now we can slide. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Scoobity bebop de boo boo.
Nice.
Yeah, man. Hey, God, dog. He didn't like what we done to him. He got pissed off. What are you pissed off about, fella? Hey, man, look here. Let's. Okay. See, you don't want to act right. I know what to do. All right, I'm gonna put the hammer down on you. I tried to tell you to chill out. Chill out, man. Come here. Come here. Come here. Chill out. I got you.
Jumped in there.
Yeah, he wasn't ready to get in. He said, I'm ready to go. And da-da-da-da-da, 17 jelly bean.
Yeah. All of them.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. What y'all do? We left him biting, man.
Did you
Yeah, he said,
bam?
he said, boom. That's what I told you. I said, there you go. What we kept. 2 flounders, 1. Finishing up a fishing trip with my big bro. Ooh, Fuji's on. Turn it off. And we got slabs on deck.
Huh?
We got slabs on deck, man.
Huh?
Yeah, we got slabs on deck. They're right there in there.
What is that?
On ice, and I'm finna get them out of there.
All you have to do is just put everything on ice right there.
I'm finna put them up there.
Huh?
I'm finna put them up there and put them in there. The cooler is up there, the ice is up there, everything up there but me. I gotta get up there. And we already up there because we on the tip top how the day went. Tip top. All right. So Top Dollar got a gaff top, 1, 2, 3 sand trout, and a piggy perch for Top Dollar.
Top dollar.
With the gold flea collar.
Gold flea collar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he gonna get to eat good.
Okay. All right.
And then here come us. Look at here. Big vermeil snapper, not little ones. Big vermeil snapper. Okay?
Think it's a game?
Think it's a game. You better ask somebody. This is what we do on hooked up fishing. We go get them and come back with them. There it is. Big old pretty vermeil snapper. You know,
Right.
we found them and we left them over there biting. But we know where they're at. But we'll go visit them later.
Yeah.
I hit one trout on Topwater. Sorry, hit one trout on Topwater, and the Topwater had him. So he ain't no trout. He's a Peter popper. I forgot about Top Dollar's sailfish.
This is one thing about it.
He gonna deal with it.
Yeah.
When I put a knife on him, he gonna deal with it.
Yeah.
Let me see the water hose,
Yes, sir.
and I'm gonna rinse in here and and up here while I'm up here, because I think I got time enough for that. All right. I touched that sailfish.
You touched it.
I touched him, yeah. And
What
them
that mean?
I had to rinse my hand off. Them nasty. I don't want nothing to do with them no more.
Okay.
They told me they was good, and I got a belly full of them, and don't want now another one a day in my life.
What's that?
Them gaff top,
Oh,
cause I caught them on Topwater before,
okay.
and somebody told me, "Oh man, what you doing? Them good."
Okay.
So me and Zenobia went out there and caught so many that we calling folks from down the street. Man, I fried that stuff up, big bro, and all it took was 1 or 2 pieces. And I said, I don't know. Well, you know, everybody got different tastes, I guess. So I ain't gonna.
Good as we got.
There we go.
Ain't nothing in there.
It's draining.
Okay.
I see 1, 2 pieces
Get out
of
of here.
crab. Yeah,
Oh, crab.
yeah.
Yeah, that's Deborah's crab.
She said Deborah caught 25 crabs
25.
and was throwing them back.
Yeah.
Okay.
The ones with the orange tail.
They was pregnant.
Yeah.
All right. So that it is. Hooked up fishing, baby. You already know what it is. Hard hitter. Big bro RB, and I need to get to the house for AT&T.
Yes, sir.
That hard hitter Skeeter D. Y'all know me.
Yes.
Baddest one there'll ever be. Yeah. Oh man, I just be having fun. Sometimes I tone it down a little bit.
Tone it down for what? Shit.
God dog. God dog. You know what it is, big bro. I just never want to toot my horn and blow my whistle because God got my whistle. You know. Yeah. Well, hugs and love coming your way.
Hey man, that's us. That's us, man.
Oh, man. Thank you so much
Shit,
for the enjoyable trip we had out on the water.
anything we do.
Man, I mean, we went over there and just act bad with our flashes on, man. Hey, you better recognize. I know you can't wait for the phone call.
And that Flounder jumped over these reels.
Hey, I got it on tape, so ain't nobody got to say nothing. I set the hook so hard, he said, man, just get that hook out of me. I'm going to jump in the boat. Just get that hook out of me. Yeah, man. Hooked up fishing, y'all. Hope the camera's running. We out. As dirty as you want to be. I want anything from you.
What I always say is, I love you. I don't know if it has nothing to do with it, but I ain't gonna
That's
when I looked around, I had you took what
I sent a map.
yeah, and then I relieved he had it. God ain't forget me.
Never.
And then they want to be buddy. Can't be buddy no more, partner. I'm talking about
Crumb snatching.
okay, I'm gonna stop talking this.
We rolling. Out the floodgates and to the ramp. And then we drew a line for we know how to leave out and go right, follow that line, that red line. See, that channel there is for them folks that bought all them homes over there. I don't know what possessed them to buy them rascals, but they bought it.
Oh, it's
Back in there. They made homes back in there.
and then we used to be over here going through down, didn't we?
Yeah, that's where we're going back through.
Yeah, we used to,
And a lot of people, they like to fish on around and go to where it open up at in certain times of the year for trout.
Alright,
But we don't mess with them.
well, we gotta get out.
Yeah, we go right out, we go right on around the dike, right on